This brand is available in the USA and Canada, offering DIY models as well as models that are installed by contractors. The DIY E-Star 4th Gen units are quite simply the best mini-split units for anyone that wants to do the installation themselves. While many brands will sell to the consumer but their warranty requires installation by a licensed contractor, MRCOOL offers heat pumps that are specifically designed to be installed by homeowners. They feature patented easy DIY installation as well as a dipro cable that eliminates the need to run electrical conduit. The units feature state-of-the-art technology in the indoor units with control by smartphone app as well as through Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The units feature refrigerant leak detection as well as a Follow Me remote that senses the room temperature. The multi-zone models can serve up to 4 indoor units from a single outdoor unit and have a 20 SEER efficiency. The brand uses R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32, and they do not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Ultimate categories. The brand is backed by an industry-leading warranty even when the units are installed by a homeowner, and they are available on Amazon. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.